Hello everyone, let me introduce. My name is RAFLI YUDISTIRA. I am a student from Universitas Serang Raya, Class A1 Informasi Sistem. Okay, now I will tell you about how to submit assignment on E-learning FTI Unsera website. First of all, you must access the kuliahonline.ftiunsera.id. Furthermore, if you don't have an account, click register. If you already have one, click login. Then click the courses. After that, click assignment and select the title of segment to be getter. Then click getter task and select the task file to be getter. The final step is to click task upload. Okay, thank you for watching.